YouTube, this is Genesis Molina coming at you with another video. So as we all know, Father's Day is coming up. I wanted to put together a gift basket for you guys today. And it doesn't necessarily have to be a basket. As you guys see, I chose a wooden crate. But yeah, if you'd like to see how I created this gift crate for my dad, please keep on watching. Alright, so first things first, you're going to need a crate, box, basket, whatever you'd like to use. I got this wooden crate at Target. It was about $13. And it has these black handles on the side. I would like to mention it did not come with this ribbon. I got this separately at Walmart for about $3. And it looks like this. So I just cut it, tied it around, made a little knot. And I feel like it made a huge difference. It looks much cuter now. You could use different color of ribbon, or you could even get those little stick-on bows. I feel like that would have looked cute as well. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to add are these lottery tickets. My dad loves scratch-offs, so I had to get him some. What I'm going to do is adding double-sided tape on the back so I can stick it on the back side of the crate. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fix them however I think it looks best. Probably like that. And then I do want to recommend removable double-sided tape, as I did see they have permanent double-sided tape. So just a quick tip, and just make sure you tape all of them together, like so. So now that I've taped them together, this is how they look like. And I'm gonna go ahead and tape it to the back side of the crate. That's the first thing that I've added to my crate. Y papá, si estás viendo este video y te ganas $1 millón, acuérdate que soy tu hija favorita. Alright, so the next thing that I got him are some white undershirts. My dad is always wearing white undershirts, so I had to make sure I got him some extra ones. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in there. Alright, so I've added it inside the crate. The next thing that I got my dad is this photo frame. I still have to change the photo. I'll probably be doing that tomorrow. I'm just gonna go ahead and add that in here. My dad loves Coke, so I had to make sure I got him the Mexican Coca-Colas. He says that it tastes better in this bottle, so. I also had to get him a tumbler. He loves coffee as well, so. This one says Número Uno Papa, or Number One Papa. I'm gonna put it back inside the bag. So my dad does use reading glasses, so I got him this case. It was $1. I got it from Dollar Tree. So, yep. I'm just gonna go ahead and add that right here. So I had to get him his all-time favorite snacks. He loves coconut, so I got him these coconut treats. And then these coconut chocolates. Almond Joy, these are really good. He loves seeds, so I got him a variety of seeds. What else? He also loves nuts, so I got him a variety of nuts that I know he likes. I love my dad. So, what I'll be doing is adding some tape. I'm gonna be putting them together in two to help the snacks keep in place inside the crate. Okay, so you're just gonna go ahead and add them inside. Try to make them look organized and neat as much as possible. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, so the next thing is this wallet that I got my dad, and I'm gonna show you guys real quick how it looks like. I'm gonna put it back in the box, make it look more presentable, and I'm gonna add it here. Alright, and then last but not least, I had to get him some hand sanitizer. With everything going on, it's very important that we carry these around. I'm just gonna add one there, and the other one, and the other one right there. Right there's good. So that's pretty much all the things that I gathered for my dad. Now, if you'd like to decorate your box, you could. I went to I'm not lying, to 6 different stores just so I could find some Father's Day decorations to add, but I could not find any. The only thing I could find was this Love You balloon. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add it here in the middle, but as you can see, it's a little bit too tall, so I'm just gonna cut just a tiny bit. Alright, so that's the perfect length. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add that there in the middle. And then the other 2 that I found are these Happy Father Day balloons. I wish I could have found some other decorations to put around the box, but this will have to do. So I'm just gonna tie it around the handles. Alright, so these are the final results of my gift crate for my dad. If you do end up making this gift basket for your dad, stepdad, husband, suegro, grandpa, whoever that special someone is, and you post it on your social media, please tag me in them. I would love to see how you created your gift basket. I really do hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and please be kind to one another. Thank you. Bye!